I don't know if you caught that. There's a seller at 55, and I put my shares up with him at 55. 46, 50, 55. There's a 5,000 share seller. So I put my shares up with him. I didn't know that, like, I just kind of put my shares up, and then with my hotkeys, I put the order down 1 cent, and then sent it, and then it instantly got filled. So let's just see that one more time. Shares up. There. I put it down 1 cent with my hotkeys. I have the down arrow key to do that. It just puts the order down 1 cent, and then I press enter to send it, and then it got filled as it got bought into the 55. So I was first in line to be bought in case it dropped from there. But, you know, it kept going. Right there, I'm up 34. So that was a almost a 20 cent move. That's great. That's, what, 18 cents? Yeah. On 200 shares. It was a really good trade. Now, here's where I could have improved my active trading. So I get scared after I have these profits so that I don't, like... Because I don't want to, hold on one sec. Okay, no, we're good. Because I don't want to ruin the profits, so I guess I get scared or something. So let's see what let's keep watching this. So another point to get in would have been at above the high of 365. So I'm watching it. 55, it's getting bought up. It's kind of comes back down a bit. Where is it? Okay, so 64, 65, and it just jumps straight to 73, 75. So I could have made another probably 10 cents right there. But I guess these could go either way each time. But I should be actively trading this more. So then the new high I think is 73. So once it gets close, 70, 75, 78, there. It's already at the next leg up. So maybe now I should have just kind of calmed down a bit. So what happens when it hits the new high of 78? Oh, okay, it doesn't do it right there. So the first 1 minute candle to make a new high at 79, that's where I should have gotten in. It's kind of a 1 minute like micro pullback, as it's called. And sure enough, keeps going. That's another 10 cents right there I missed out on. And then, so the high of this new push is 88. 85, 87. Anyway, so you get the picture. I did get in again. I can't remember where exactly I got in. Another 1 minute candle to make a new high. And then the previous high was, I think, 88. So 85, 86. I remember this point where I could have bought, and I just didn't for whatever reason. 87, 88, there. That is where I would have bought. Or even if I got filled at 90, that would have been fine. So, I don't know. It was still good. Where did I get in again here? Also, the first kind of 1 minute. So the 5 minute was forming right here. And I think the time was about to be, like, it was like 10 seconds away from closing the candle. So the high would have been 388 to get in. Because look at this flag. This flag looks amazing. It's bouncing off the VWAP. I should have gotten in for this move, but I just, I don't know. I didn't. So here on the ask, there's 85, 86, 84, 86. There, and it's gone. That would have been a great spot to get in for another like kind of quick scalp, and then I believe it keeps going too. So what I did is instead was I got in because I knew if it was going to break that high, it was most definitely going to break the actual high of 97 or 98. So it curls back up, 95. I wait for it. I just wait. I see the huge guy in the bid here, pushing it up. So at 98 I get in. I got filled at 99. So thank God I have that offset of 5 cents when I put out my orders. So $4, $4.10, $4.15. I keep moving my order down, so it's down to 10. I don't sell quite yet. I see the strength in this. So my order's at 404, and I get filled. Where do I get filled? I cancel that order. I wait for it to come back up. Oh, this was crazy. So I put my order up at 407. Filled. I got filled as it drops to 76. That's crazy. So I got filled at 407 here. I can't even find it. Yeah, 407 was like the highest fill at that point, and then it just drops. So I can't really complain with what happened. So that's it. That's what happened. There was oh, and then I gave sorry, I didn't show the part where I gave some back. Anyways, I can just look here. I think I went in for the first 5 minute or something. I should like there were so many moves initially that I missed. Maybe I shouldn't have kind of chased the 5 minute, but it wasn't really chasing a 5 minute. So at 9:54, 1, 2, 3, 54, I got in on this candle for the first 5 minute candle to make a new high, which at the time would have been, let me get rid of this. The time it would have been right here. If you can see, I'm pointing at the screen. So right here, it shows the high of the candle. So 415. This hit 416. I got in at 414 for that break. And then it just drops. It just drops. So I get out of that and I lose. Oh, that's bad. I lose like 17 cents or something on, but only on a half position. So I went from, I think 48 profit to 31, and then I called it a day. So that's that. I wrote in my P&L, 31 US, 39 Canadian. It was another great day. So where, oh, this isn't calculating my, oh, this isn't, oh, okay, that's why. Okay, so I am back in the green now. Okay, this is awesome. It was only calculating the sum of these. That's why I thought something was kind of off. So I've been back in the green actually for a couple days now, so that's good. I said in the other video I wanted to close this whole week with 4 green days and 1 red day, and I actually finally did it. So this is amazing. Like, I'm keeping my red days smaller. I'm learning how to make. Oh, sorry. I'm learning how to make my green days bigger and not kind of limit them and be scared when I already have profit, even though that is also a good strategy. But for the first 15, let's say, minutes, it's just a feeding frenzy, so I need to capitalize on those opportunities more. I followed all the rules, size, loss. Well, I kind of followed. Yeah, I followed the stop rule, because my stop is 20 cents, I think. Like max-ish. So I stopped out at like 17 cents loss on that half size, so that was fine. So I'm back in the green. I can't wait. I can't wait for the next couple weeks, and I'll be able to move up the trader rehab limit of 200 shares. I might go to, I don't know if I want to, I definitely don't want to go too quick. So I don't know if I'm going to do 300 or 400, but this red day is what kind of scares me. So I might just go up to 300 and maybe do it for a couple weeks, like maybe 3 weeks instead of a full month. But I think the right thing is to go up to 300 shares. So that's great. I can't wait for that. That's going to be on the end of the month or the start of the next month. I haven't decided yet. So that's that. Thank you for watching.